Hi guys, today we perform on-page SEO. In my previous classes, I explained the SEO basics, keyword research techniques, and which plugin we have to use for perform on-page SEO. For perform on-page SEO, we need all-in-one SEO plugin. This is dashboard. I think you know this already. This dashboard, WordPress dashboard. In this dashboard, under appearance, we can see the plugin section. We have to install the all-in-one SEO plugin. I already installed this plugin. And I'm performed already the on-page SEO, but I can explain, show the how to perform you also. I've taken a blog for tourism, top 10 must visit places in Vizag, 2026 on holidays. This is my blog. I already written the complete blog and perform the on-page SEO, but I show step by step. First, you need to prepare the content using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity. There are many tools to create content, but don't use complete, because if you use ChatGPT, it becomes complete AI content. So take content from the ChatGPT, but after you can change it, adding your own words, changing the few lines, changing some bolds, italics, synonyms, paraphrasing. We have to make it unique to that blog after taking content from ChatGPT, Gemini also. You can in the content add few lines, change the headings, make it as a unique queue, then it will be more good. Just you can, after completing reading the content, complete blog, just paste it, and you can give the some bolds and italics also. And finally, you have to perform the on-page SEO. After under after completing blog, you can see the all SEO settings. Here you have to write the blog title, which is appear in the search engines results page. Suppose this title, titles appear like this, or title will appear here. So you have to write the good title with the keyword, like visiting places in Vizag for families on weekends, top 10 places. Like this, you have to insert the long tail keyword, because in SEO, long tail keywords are high chances to rank faster compared to the short tail keywords. So, and you have to write title less than 60 characters, because if you write more than 60 characters, it is not appear. So you have to always write this title less than 60 characters with a proper inserting keywords. And after description also, like this description, write description with a keyword. You have to select the focus keyword. This is a very important, because this is the our targeting keyword, places in Vizag. So this is a short tail keyword. That's why I have to use top 10 places, famous places, historical places for families, friends, weekends, couples. I have to add extra keywords by using this keyword. Here you can see the title completed, description completed, focus keyword length. I mean, we have to repeat them more times of that keyword, and focus key phrase on URL here. This is the slug. Here also we use that keyword places in Vizag, and top 10 best tourist places in Vizag. I use this keyword and subheadings. Yeah. In blog, we have to use one H1 mandatory. After H2, H3, we can use. one H1 is mandatory because it is very primary key, not primary. If you use H1, Google cross H1 tag compared to the H2, H3, H4, H5. So these are the headings H2, H3. First to use H1 is mandatory. After use few H2, H3, H4 also. So heading section is completed. And focus keyword in the introduction. On the starting of the blog, I have to insert or keyword. Actually, I this randomly because I don't see the specifically like the insert in the paragraph. You can also use this kind of and you can put this, then it completely visible. You don't confuse audience also. You generally have to insert this kind of by flow, but I don't see the flow, so that's why I placed it by forcefully. Generally, you can add like places in Vizag or anything completely meaningful, not by forceful. After image also, I taken the images. This image all text because Google cannot understand the images. Google only understands what is the text. Based on this Google understands this what is okay. This is the tourism places near Vizag within 100 kilometers. You always give the all text for images. After focus keywords density, focus keyword density nothing but our focus keyword is repeat 0.5% is in the entire blog. Now 0.49. Have to add one more time, then it can be complete 0.5%. Now you can see it's 100 by 100. Before it's 78 only. Now focus keyword density also is enough. 0.5% is completed. After here, we can see the analysis. Content is completed. Focus keyword introduction, meta description, URL, focus keyword length, meta description length, content, and I inserted internal linking, external linking also. Internal linking is nothing but giving our website link only. Suppose I don't have any more posters or pages. That's why given the my homepage URL only as internal link. Or outbound link nothing but giving the another website link like these kind of websites or this kind of link, this link, this link. One external link is mandatory and internal link also you can give one or two. That's it. And here readable, you don't need to worry about readability, just from the on-page SEO. General Google collects few things. Just give me 1 second. Google collects 8 parameters. Print 8 parameters. First is the title. Google draws the title, meta description, bolds and italics, image alt, permalinks, next internal, and external, title, meta description, bolds, italics, internal, one, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, there is one more. What is it? There is one more aspect. And LSI keywords. LSI keywords mean latent semantic indexing keywords, which are nothing but whenever we search the Google, suppose we search this keyword in the Google, but you can see this kind of keywords also. These are already Google searched, this black color bolds. These keywords are known as LSI keywords. So you have to use these kind of keywords also. Then it's good to Google also to crawl much betterly. There is one more thing, H1 tag also maybe Google crawls, but title, description, bolds, italics, image alt, permalinks, internal, external, LSA keywords, H1 tag. Google crawls these parameters mainly compared to the whole blog. Whenever you perform a good on page for these kind of keywords, these parameters, then it is good, it is high chances for Google indexing fastly, crawling fastly. So like this, you have to perform the on-page SEO for your blog or website. Try initially for all-in-one SEO. It is easy to perform on-page SEO. Just first research the keywords like by using brainstorming, Google Suggest, or any tools. After take the content from the ChatGPT or Gemini, refresh the content, spin the content, finally complete paste it, add few important like as a bolds italics, finally add few images, give the alt text, and under all SEO section, you can perform on-page SEO. Use the perfect title, description, use the what is your focus keyword, add this focus keyword title, description, URL, and introduction, subheadings, image alts, and maintain 0.5% of repeating times of this focus keyword, and give the internal linking and external linking. Finally, give the category. Under which category it comes, I given that this Vizag come under AP Andhra Pradesh, so I give the AP as a category. And tags also given. Generally, don't need to give tags or give the few tags, 4 to 5 is enough. Finally, completing on-page SEO, you can save it. You can save it. I don't have any changes, so that's why I'm returning back. You can view the post. I can take this theme, travel theme for my blog. Just I have written only one blog. Finally, your blog will be like this. And next class, I will show how to submit or blog to Google for faster indexing. This is about on-page SEO. If you have any doubts, comment it. I will try to reply back. And in 2026, you have to learn one skill. That is digital marketing. Digital marketing has a good future in career. You guys also make videos like me and do freelancing, do jobs like me. You want to learn digital marketing course, make a comment. I will suggest to one of the best training institute which are trained by me. You can also learn from my training experts. They will teach really well. That's it. And please subscribe the channel for more digital marketing content. Thank you.